Hey everybody, Gears here. So I at least want to get this on video before I tear into it. This is a Mattel Hot Wheels radar gun. Apparently the real deal. 10.525 gigahertz, runs on 4 AAA batteries, measures speed up to 100 miles an hour, and will do it at either actual or scale for when you're doing that. So apparently, a lot of folks were using this for like baseball games and sports and stuff like that. I've found a couple reviews on YouTube. One guy said he got it from like a thrift store for $1. That's awesome. I paid 50 something for this plus shipping and tax, and obviously getting a mint and sealed with some minimal damage up here. But even that cannot have damaged the gun itself. So as long as the electronics are fine, this should be good. Otherwise, it's a big waste of money. And being factory sealed, it's definitely going to be a pain to open, so I'm going to go and do that now. Right, so this thing is definitely encased in carbonite, and looking at this plastic bubble here, I'm almost thinking to try and capture a fiberglass mold of it just so I have that as a traveling protection for this thing. I could also cut some foam, I suppose. That could be safe just as well. But I definitely don't want to destroy that plastic. It's a little front heavy, but once the batteries are in there, I'm sure that'll change. Fascinating. Battery hatches screw on, unfortunately. That's too bad. That's nice. Gives you a low battery warning. Alright, so what do we got here? Instantaneous real speed. Nice. Do not use in or near the street. Interesting. .39-foot range. Nice. Couldn't be easier, that's for sure. And there we go. Those settings are pretty much good forever. Scale 1:1 and MPH. Though if I were to take this, I suppose, to England or perhaps Canada, I could switch over to kilometers. Kilometers. So this could not fit the sci-fi theme more accurately than it does. That's pretty sweet. And look forward to seeing this in a future video in operation. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. See ya.